So I could mention two key issues. One, the training time. What time of the day do you plan the training? Most time you do a training, we attempt to implementers and designers, many times we design the projects just from the supply side, particularly when it comes to ease of administration. You want to work your project in a way that is easy to implement. But projects that are easy to implement may not necessarily meet the relevant needs of the guys. So we have different timing, different structures of time across the day. So there are people who come to training in some communities, some people choose to come in the morning. So we have morning classes. Some people have the time to come in the afternoon, so we also have afternoon classes. But more than that, we don't want to take up much of the girls' time, because in my context, for example, most of these girls, they live by themselves, so they have a lot of work to do. They have income generating activities they have to undertake to provide for their families. So once you have the differences in terms of times of the day, it gives people the opportunity to choose when they're able to make the sacrifice as an opportunity cost away from what they're already doing to attend the training class. So that's one of the things that really helped. But level of literacy among these girls is also very low. So what we've done, we have what they call the teams. So in each of the classes, girls are put into small teams, teams of 3, teams of 4. And what they do in that team is to provide support to each other. So you have, for example, we show when you have varying level of literacy, you want to make sure there's somebody in one of the group who has a higher level of literacy. That person more or less can serve as a tutor for people who are slow in terms of learning. These guys in these small groups, they're able to study together, they're able to do homework, they're able to support each other. But more than that, they also provide social assets, like in a community. Security and safety are issues of concern. So if it's walking home, if a girl is absent today and you ask the colleagues, they're able to tell you where that person is, what has happened. And we also do a lot of competition, positive competition amongst the girls. For example, we give at the end of say at the end of a month, there will be prizes. Maybe it's a scratch card, for example. So the group, the team that has the highest attendance may get a scratch card each. Maybe say $1 scratch card, but that's a huge incentive. So that way the girls are able to support each other, they encourage each other so that somebody doesn't get absent from a day. So it has helped us to really increase the level of participation and completion rate in the training. These are some of the innovative strategies that we've incorporated in the training.